Alright, today we're going to go ahead and install the kickstand side pad on the Kymco AK 550. So it's a really easy process to do. You just want to make sure that you have it on the center stand, and in the kit you'll see that it comes with the side pad, 2 Allen screws, and then there's an Allen screw here as well. The one here is a 2.5 millimeter in this particular kit. And then you have these ones which come with an Allen key. What I want to do is I want to go ahead and position it on, but I'm also going to go ahead and put some blue lock thread on the screws. I'm just gonna put a tiny bit, and on that one I actually ended up putting too much. So what I'll do is just let some of that run off here, and I will just put a tiny bit just like that. And then what I'm going to do is I could kind of wipe this off afterwards, so it's not a huge deal. And then we'll go ahead and put these on. So the key is just to make sure that this goes on straight and even, and that you will have these two little I don't know what you want to call them, but just kind of circles or whatever these little things are. And you're going to go ahead and put these Allen screws back in, and we'll tighten them down. I'm not going to tighten them down too much at this point. I'm just going to tighten them down just a little bit. But the key is just to make sure everything is even. And we're just going to double check everything here, that everything is going on even. And then you also want to make sure that you tighten this one as well. You know, you don't, the last thing you want to do is have you know, something come off on you. Now it doesn't have to be too tight, but once you do, you know, get those on, go ahead and make sure that these are snug and straight. And like I says, you know, I got the lock thread on there as well, and we just want to make sure that these are snug, and also that they are in there properly and they're not bent or anything like that. I'm not going to over tighten it, because I don't want them to come off or strip, I'm sorry. And then we'll just tighten this. So now we'll kind of take a look at, you know, how everything looks, if it looks secure. I am going to tighten this one down just a little bit, and this one as well. And that one went in all the way. Okay, so those are on snugly, and you want to kind of take a look. I'll move the camera here. You'll see how they are on and they're flush. Okay, that's what you want. You want them to be flush. So at this particular point, you know, we could just kind of see if it goes all the way up, and you could see here that it's clear. It's not hitting anything. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and grab the key from inside and make sure everything starts up. So I'm just going to pause it here, and then I'll restart the video. Okay, I went ahead and grabbed the key, and I'm going to start it. Kind of take a look at, you know, if it starts. So you see that it started perfectly fine. All right, so now you could kind of take a look at it. Let's go a little bit closer. This is what it looks like when it's on the bike. And now I'm just gonna go ahead and start it again with the kickstand down. And you can see it's pretty firm. It's just like it was normally. So we'll grab it here. Start the bike. Turn it off. And as you can see, it looks pretty good. One more thing I forgot to show you is this is kind of what it looks like when it's tucked under. So it's not touching anything and it's not interfering with anything. All right, thanks.